Never really thought it could happen. Never really thought it could happen. Spark kept popping. Never really
Oh, I didn't even really see you there. What? When did you get here? What the hell? When the hell did you get here? Well, glad you're here. Because it's going to be a great night. We're great night. What's going on, you might ask? It's lustrous skin, because I exfoliate and moisturize. And if you really want to touch it, females only. It is that soft. But anyway, we here and we about to get busy up in this kitchen. Oh, what is this?
Today is the day that it goes down. Cause it's going down.
No, this ain't your mama's signature on my t-shirt.
No time to
That's a
lay around.
JH Great t-shirt. Alright? Merch coming soon. We about to get busy in this kitchen tonight. It's gonna be another salmon affair. I know that y'all saw a video of me with that marmalade, aka Ya Boyee made jelly. I kept the jelly on preserve in the freezer. That's freezing for you motherfuckers that can't keep up. And we're gonna pull that shit out tonight. And we got a big ass slab of salmon that we gonna motherfucking slice up. Now what are we cooking all this motherfucking meat for? While I'm in this motherfucking fresh ass motherfucking JH the Great motherfucking t-shirt. So, while I cook this salmon, before I cook the salmon, you can look at this. Cause I'm about to take this motherfucker off. Because it's just too. Shout out to the true team that made all this possible. Word up. The true team that made all this possible. Good looking. But we about to cook up in the salmon. Now what am I cooking the salmon for? Just so y'all know, I'm going on a one city tour. Yeah, that's right. One city tour. Yeah. I'm only gonna be performing one time in one city. That's all they gave me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's cool though. You know what I'm saying? Gotta start somewhere. One city tour, one repping this shit all day. Right? So, there's a lot of people who made this JH the Great thing go around. They all behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? So all this JH the Great shit that you see that you can get, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to cook for my security. Yes, that's right. The one city tour needs security. So I'm gonna cook for him because I ain't got no money to pay his ass. So I just feed his big ass some food. You know what I'm saying? He's that kind of guy. You know what I'm saying? Remember when Mr. T started out his shit? You know what I'm saying? He was at the security at the goddamn club. And then all of a sudden he's like, yo, who the hell is eating all these steaks? It was him. He didn't get paid. He just ate there. Same thing. He don't get paid. I just feed him. But I got his big ass on a diet though. Anywho. So we about to get busy in this motherfucker. I just got this shit on to show you that this shit is so real, it's so ill. Any color that you want. I'm also going to at one point give I'm going to give a giveaway to my most dedicated subscriber in the color of their choice. And the color of their choice will be one of two, because I want one too, motherfucker, if you pick a dope ass color scheme. Right? So I'll have one and you'll have one. And it will be a one of two, and it'll be you and me and you. With that, that's the only color that's going to be to my #1 subscriber to let me know, the subscriber that says, yo, JH, this is why I'm your #1 subscriber, and this is why, and this is the color that I want to represent what we're going through. Remember what I said? I'm the first link in this chain. Then I'm the strongest one, and I need everybody else behind me to be a strong link in the chain of what we doing right now. Alright? So there we go. I'm about to show y'all motherfuckers what we about to do. And yes, I'm about to take this damn shirt off because we ain't about to fuck that shit up cooking this food. Nope. Yeah. No, girl. You know what's so good. I got you. What you want me to bring over some bonbons? Girl, you crazy. Oh, you want that Amber Mist? They still sell that shit? Okay. I'll see you a little bit later. Yo, is your son gonna be? Oh. Maybe I gotta go. I got somebody at the door. But I'll be over later. And tell little Jabari, you know what I'm saying, to get up in the morning and do something, because I don't want to see him in the kitchen in the morning, because I'm gonna be there. Alright? Yeah, girl. You know I can't say that. But I'll see you later. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, I'm about to do this one city tour, you know, one location, one tour, and I still need security. So my security just came in the door. I can't let y'all see this motherfucker right away because I don't want y'all to know who he is, just in case you're on the lookout while I'm out here performing my show in that one city. I don't want y'all motherfuckers to see. I don't want y'all to see that coming if you're acting up. Just know it's coming if you're acting up. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the other side of that. Do some motherfucking rice, and we gonna do some motherfucking asparagus. For all y'all motherfuckers who can't say it, I want you to say it with me, but when you say it with me this time, use your vowels. Asparagus. Okay, your turn. Well, damn, at least you tried.
Never really thought it could happen.
Ew.
Never really thought it could happen.
Good, too. Oh, thank you, baby. Ooh. Yeah, thank you. Shit's good. We about to go up in this motherfucker. What I'm about to do with this motherfucker right here, some of y'all might not really understand, but just know that if you saw my previous video, when I had that salmon and that Jubilee popping, oh shit, I only got 10 subscribers anyway, but I ain't worried about what that is. Oh, but guess what this is though? You remember my previous video when I had that motherfucking marmalade Jubilee jelly thing going? Yeah, I froze the extra shit, and today is the day that I'm gonna reconstitute that right here, right? Motherfucker be like, yo, what the fuck is that? Don't worry about what it look like. You already know that shit look good. You know what I'm saying? It's delicioso. Yo, man, I gotta pay this motherfucking bodyguard security to play my jams. What kind of shit is that? But it's all good though. You know what I'm saying? That's my boy. What am I supposed to do? You're supposed to bring your boys with you, right? Right, no doubt. Shout out to all my boys. And if you try to figure out if you my boy or not, then you probably ain't my boy. You know what I'm saying? That's my motto. You know what I'm saying?
For 1,000 spouses and houses. 6 months in. Understand. For the fame, get a name. Maintain. Put away the game. The vertical plane. Criminal days. Because they switch ways. Watch your step. With no rap. He doesn't want to be the reason that she can't compete. And she can't compete. Through the mess. But it's live wire. Hesitation. And big statements. Through briefcases. Screw faces. Patience. Screaming affirmations. God bless the child and the wildness around him. Bless his need for 1,000 spouses and houses. God bless the child and the wildness around him. Bless his need for 1,000 spouses and houses.
Never really thought it could happen. Never really thought it could happen.